Hey guys, welcome back to Sherwayne Music Production channel, the channel to be a part of. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell for further notification posts. Also guys, remember to like the video. It helps out a lot. I would appreciate that. With that being said, let's get into today's video. So guys, in today's video, we are going over a rhythm that I made for a producer who asked me to make a rhythm for a artist that he wants to produce by the name of Silk Bass. See, now Silk Bass records, and if you listen to his music, I'm not a fan of these artists, but I know producers who make rhythm for them. You know what I mean? We are in one community, such as Messiah, who makes most of the Dynasty rhythms. The type of rhythm that they tend to sing on is, or DJ on, is slow, emotional, dancehall, trap beat. So that's what I covered today. So I'm gonna play the instrumental for you guys. You're gonna sit back, listen, and then we're gonna go over the steps that I take to come up with this rhythm for the producer who's gonna produce a Silk Bass on this track. Cool? Let's play it.
Sherwayne Music.
All right. So that's basically the rhythm. We're gonna go over it. The reason why you were seeing my picture a while ago is not that I want to show you who I am. Well, you guys would have probably know who I am and how I look so far. But I noticed these days, I think my computer need to clean up whenever I play anything while recording, screen recording. It started to itch, so I have to clear the canvas screen, and thus you saw my picture just now. Cool. All right. So let's go over it. So what I started off with was, as you know, I like to start with melody. So when you're making a dancehall rhythm, especially for that particular artist, you have to go for the melody. So I came up with the melody, and I think it's in the G, yeah, I think it's G minor. As you know, created the melody and strum it. And you know to strum it. Once you create the melody, to make it sound real, you go to strum. That's my setting for strum. Accept, and it strum the thing. What strum does, it pushes the key back, as you can just, don't make everything sound robotic or monotonous. And then I randomize the velocity by going to randomize, and that's it. And there it goes. You randomize a while ago, you click right back, you go back to what it was, and this is what it sounds like. I think something is missing from this instrumental. I think this, the D. So basically that's the melody, the main melody. I added some little melodies. I think I added this last to the rhythm. Put it in 1/3 and just play some random keys over it, and that's what it sounds like. And then Added some ambience to it with the Nexus Dark Celius. So you know you have to bring in the type of sounds that you know make the artists getting them emotions and so forth. So I got that involved. I add some legato to it or spiccato to it from the expanded. After that I got what else I got? The bassline subwoofer 808. It's a sub. Some look a slide go on in the sound, them look a thing there enough make it sound interesting. After which I added the hi-hat. Then I added arcade, a sound from arcade. You guys know arcade is from the distant voice. Arcade is very big, that's why it's even cracking up right now. Then I went to add some percussion to the drum. That's a snare. Added some percussion. Added some more percussion. Perk. Pan one left, pan one right. Another perk open hi-hat. Ice clap. And I added another plugin sound here, which is the roll. That's what it sounds like. So basically that's what I done. Oh, the kick. Didn't get to play the kick. And you know, using the trap sound. So that's basically what I did and came up with this instrumental. And no, nothing hard. It was created in my template. Guys, if you need this template, this is the template that I use to make intense circle rhythm. Quarter than shame them, quarter than best friend, chronicler. I don't remember the name of the songs them, but these are the template me use make all of my dancehall rhythm them. So if you need the template, the group link is in the description. You can join the group, be a part of the group. You know what I mean? And you also have my number down there in the description. You can reach out to me on the number for the description. Reach out to me via the number in the description. If you need a dancehall rhythm, you can link me up. If you need a dancehall rhythm mix, you can link up. If you need songs to mix master, you can link up. Cool. We do everything over here. So basically that's what I did, and voila, we came up with this. So listen it and tell me what you think about it in the description. Cool.
Sherwayne Music.
So that's it, guys. And oh, you have to make sure you get the BPM right. So them slow type of dancehall beat, they know, so that slow down the tempo to 90, 92, 80, 85, 88. If you get them slow tempo dancehall beat there. So basically that's it, guys, how I go about it. I don't get into mixing or I mix it and so forth, because normally my template done set up already where the sounds are concerned. Plugins already come with it and so forth. So it makes my work easier. So if you need the template, if you need the rhythm template, if you need the vocal template, if you want to know what the vocal templates sound like, it's on the channel as well, so you can go and look at the best mixing and mastering template and listen what it sounds like, so you can, purchase it. And you guys who have purchased your template already, you can comment and let people know that, hey, the template do work, because I have people from all over Antigua, America, Canada, Jamaica who bought their template, and trust me, man, I tell you, it'll work wonders for them. So get a template today. Cool. With that being said, catch you in the next one. See you? Mad.